We were looking at some of these beautiful cars around me, as you can see, but I saw this yellow speck in the very far distance and I just gotta go check it out. It's a Camaro and it's not stripped. No way. It's actually intact. Got all the wheels, the hood, bumper, and fenders. Pretty rare for a Camaro if you ask me. They don't come here in one piece. There's not even a crack on the dash. Let's see the inside. Wow, it's nice and clean. Even got little coasters in the cup holder. We got gym shorts back here. I'm going, we working out right now. Yup, right now. So you got the lid to some nice cologne, but you don't have the cologne. Now I'm intrigued to find it. I know that this person kept their car clean just off the looks of this. This car definitely doesn't belong here. And neither do these gym shorts, but they're mine now. Let's see what kind of engine we got in this bad boy. Got a nice little V6 in here, little Ecotech. This thing is really clean. It's almost like it never even left the garage. I can graze my hands down here and no dust. I don't think this car belongs here, not one bit. This car, in this condition, it belongs on the road. I don't know who's dumb enough to bring this to a junkyard of all places. And I don't want to see it go to waste. So we're gonna go look for somebody that could potentially take care of this beautiful beast, because just look at it, it's self-explanatory, it's Bumblebee. I might have an idea as to who could take care of this car. A little buddy of mine, slash boss, he has an extreme car collection. And I think that this car would be perfect in his collection. So let's give him a call.
Hello?
Hello, boss, how you doing?
Good, good. How you doing, Cardoza? What you got for me?
Hey, so, sorry to bother you, but I'm in the back of the yard right now, and I see that we got a beautiful yellow Camaro back here, and I was just wondering if you would like to add that one to your collection.
Ooh, maybe, actually. If you can, send me some pictures, and I'll give you a phone call back.
Yes, sir, I got you. Well, boss said he'll look at the pics, and he'll give me a call back. I really hope this car gets saved today, or maybe even tomorrow, because this car is way too precious to be put out there, if you ask me. It's one of the most beautiful cars we've gotten so far, in my opinion. I think it deserves a lot more than just, you know, a little price tag on it and to get stripped. I think it deserves a second life. Hello, boss?
Hey, Carlos, listen, I'm calling you back because I'm actually really interested in the car, man. Thank you for the pictures. Can you tell them to put it on the side so I can pick it up?
Yes, sir, I got you.
Thank you, man. Have a wonderful day.
Yes, sir. The car's not getting trashed. It's being saved. Every now and then, we get cars that don't belong here at the junkyard. Kind of like this one. But this one right here is special because this one is being saved today. This beautiful Camaro is getting a second chance at life. And that's what we like to believe in some of these cars that we get here at the junkyard. So I am really, really happy that this car got to get saved today. And with that being said, I do not need these anymore. You can get covered in mud. Goodbye. If you guys ever had a car that you guys didn't want to get rid of, you guys get it. But that's why I want you guys to leave a comment on what cars you guys have had experiences like this with, where you've actually had to let them go, or you did some saving to a car for that matter. You should smash that like button and that subscribe button because I said so, and because it's good for the Camaro, and because you guys love cars. And I'm gonna go and dance and be happy. I'm gonna bust in my booty.